Hey, it's Deb, my Maine Gardens, and I'm heading out to see Joe the Pepper Man in Winterport, Maine. If you have followed my Maine Gardens, or if you're brand new to my Maine Gardens, thanks for being here, A. And B, I have been visiting Joe since he started his pepper planting indoors this past winter. And what Joe does is he grows peppers, he dries them, and then he makes these amazing like pepper flakes that he just gives away to friends and family. And I have been the fortunate recipient of some of his pepper flakes, and I use it on everything. So anyway, Joe and Debbie are an amazing couple. Debbie she's super talented and she loves animals, so we might even see some chickens. Who knows? But anyway, it's August. It's time to see how the peppers are going and growing and see if he's harvested anything so far and where we are with the whole pepper process. So beautiful day. What kind of, looks like we might get a thunderstorm soon. So I'm going to go do this. But yeah, road trip. Let's go. Say hi to your fans.
Hi.
Get closer, Joe. We got to get your face in here.
Oh, yes.
This is my friend Joe, the Pepper Man. How many pepper plants have you planted?
Close to 50.
50, okay. Mm-hmm. And you've got Ghost and...
I've got Carolina Reapers, Habaneros, Serranos, Jalapenos, and Anaheims. And some giant salsas.
So it's been kind of a hard growing season for all of us because it's been very wet.
Too wet.
In Maine.
Yep.
So why don't you take us around and show us what's working, what you're struggling with, and where we are.
And they just don't seem to... Too much water.
The Anaheims, you said? Yeah. So what are Anaheims hot? I'm not familiar with them.
They're mild, medium hot pepper. Then the jalapenos, which are right here in the
center row.
They're starting to blossom, so I'm hoping to get a few.
Yeah.
We planted a little mix of what we had left over there. The next two rows are Serranos, which are my favorite pepper.
And this one's got some nice blooms going.
Yeah, and
Serranos.
It's got a couple of...
oh, yeah.
Just a little one.
Yeah.
We like them to get a little bit longer.
Yeah.
But this one will do.
You'll take it.
Oh, yes. The habaneros haven't started. I've got like 2 or 3 habaneros that are starting to produce over there. And then that one pepper right underneath the, next to the sunflower is what they call a Carolina Reaper. Probably the hottest pepper there is. 2.5 million Scoville units.
What?
Oh, yeah.
2.5 million Scoville units.
Or more. Yep, it's a, but it hasn't blossomed yet, and I think it takes 90 to 110 days from when you plant.
Yeah.
So that's why we kind of put it underneath this little canopy, and then we'll cover it so we can keep it out longer into the like September when it starts to get cool. Once it finally got hot, they did start to grow finally, but
been tough.
It's been a tough year. Sometimes I know they prefer it dry.
Yeah.
But it just keeps raining and raining and raining.
So how does it compare to prior years in terms of timing of harvest? Are you very far behind?
Way behind.
Way behind. Yeah.
I'm used to getting like a grocery bag full. I think the most I've gotten is maybe 15 or 20 peppers.
Yeah.
When I've gone to pick.
Yeah.
Which I've already sliced, air dried, and dehydrated, and have them waiting until I'm totally done.
They'll come.
Oh, they will come.
But I feel better because mine have been slow too, but they're just starting. My bells are just starting to go. Yeah. And look at all of these. These are so many pepper plants.
Yep. We've got a few little peppers on it, but what I like to see is the blossoms, because most peppers are self-pollinating.
Yep. Wow.
And I'll show you the new chicken.
We're gonna go see chickens now. We're gonna come back when the peppers are really,
Hopefully.
hopefully another 2-3 weeks.
Yeah. You can see that those jalapenos are starting.
Oh yeah, look, there's a,
Yeah,
there's,
they're
I'm walking.
getting there.
Look at
It's
that.
just, it would be nice if they'd get there a little quicker.
Yep, they're getting there.
Careful.
This is the bonus. We're going to the chicken house. We got some new chickens.
Yeah.
Excited. Oh, hello.
And they're starting to mold.
Oh, yeah. What is it? So these are your new babies in here.
Yep.
I see you.
Yeah, they're gonna walk. Sometimes they walk out. They're figuring it out.
Oh yeah. They're not sure.
And once they get a little bit bigger, yep.
This is great out here.
Mm.
You guys have a good life.